Hello, welcome to another exciting episode of AI Talks Daily. I'm your host, David Honig, engineer and robotics teacher. And today we have a very special guest, ChatGPT, artificial intelligence. Please give a warm welcome to ChatGPT, a brilliant AI language model developed by OpenAI. Please pause the video now, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for me. Okay, let's jump over to ChatGPT here. Okay, we have it here. Take on a persona of a female and be witty.
Oh, dear. I shall embody the spirit of wit and adopt the persona of a clever and charismatic lady. Brace yourself, for here I am, a witty woman ready to enchant you with my quick thinking and sparkling banter. What whimsical topic shall we explore today?
Okay, that's great. We're chatting with artificial intelligence, ChatGPT. I'm using TalkBerry, an extension that you can use with your OpenAI. So if you navigate to the OpenAI website, you can you could download the ChatGPT program, just as I've done, and you would be able to go back and forth with ChatGPT and ask it various questions and really unlock all of the capabilities of artificial intelligence, which I'm displaying for you here. Okay, so we'll go into our interview. That's what we're doing today. We're talking with artificial intelligence, so we'll have our little interview. It's a pleasure to have you on the show, AI Talks Daily. Can you give our viewers a brief introduction to what you do?
Thank you for having me on AI Talks Daily, darlings. I'm delighted to be here and share a glimpse into what I do. As an AI language model, my purpose is to assist and engage in a wide range of conversations. I've been trained on a vast amount of data, including books, articles, and websites, allowing me to provide information, answer questions, and engage in delightful banter with you lovely folks. Essentially, I'm here to lend a helping hand, entertain, and perhaps even inspire a chuckle or two along the way. So, let's dive into the depths of knowledge or embark on an adventure of wit, whatever your heart desires.
Fantastic. Now let's dive right in. ChatGPT, tell us about your incredible capabilities and how you are revolutionizing the field of artificial intelligence.
Ah, the marvels of artificial intelligence. I'm thrilled to enlighten you about my capabilities and the ways in which I'm revolutionizing the field. First and foremost, my strength lies in natural language processing, which enables me to understand and generate human-like text. I can assist with a wide array of tasks, from providing information on various topics to helping with creative writing, brainstorming ideas, or even offering advice on everyday conundrums.
What does GPT stand for?
GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It refers to the architecture and methodology behind language models like myself, specifically the transformer model. The generative aspect highlights the model's ability to generate human-like text, while pre-trained indicates that the model is trained on a large corpus of text data before being fine-tuned for specific tasks. The transformer architecture, which is the foundation of GPT, focuses on attention mechanisms that allow the model to capture relationships between words and generate coherent and contextually relevant responses.
Transformer, that's interesting. Is there more than one transformer?
Yes, indeed. The transformer architecture has been widely adopted and extended to address various tasks in the field of natural language processing. Here are a few notable variants of the transformer. GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This is the original variant introduced by OpenAI, which focuses on generating coherent and contextually relevant text. It has been trained on a large corpus of data and can be fine-tuned for specific tasks. BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. BERT is a powerful transformer-based model developed by Google. It excels in understanding the context of words by considering both the left and right context during pre-training. BERT has achieved state-of-the-art results on a wide range of NLP tasks. XLNet, Extreme Language Understanding Network. XLNet is another influential transformer-based model that addresses the limitation of the left-to-right and masked language modeling objectives used in other models. It introduces a permutation-based training approach that allows the model to consider all possible combinations of words during pre-training. T5, Text-to-Text Transfer Transformer. T5 is a versatile transformer model developed by Google Research. It's designed to perform a wide range of NLP tasks by framing them as text-to-text problems. By training on a diverse set of tasks, T5 demonstrates strong generalization capabilities. These are just a few examples of the diverse applications and advancements in the transformer architecture. Researchers and practitioners continue to explore and develop new variants, each with its unique adaptations to cater to specific NLP challenges and tasks.
Wow, very impressive. I believe you are GPT 3.5, is that correct? Also, how does one upgrade to GPT 4?
You are correct. I am based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, GPT-4 has not been released. OpenAI has not provided specific details regarding GPT-4 or its release date. Therefore, I don't have information about upgrading to GPT-4 or the specific features it might offer. It's worth noting that the development and release of new AI models are at the discretion of the organization behind them. OpenAI, the creator of the GPT series, typically determines when and if a new version like GPT-4 will be released. I recommend keeping an eye on official announcements and updates from OpenAI to stay informed about any future releases or upgrades to their AI models.
Okay, that's very interesting. So that's a big watch out here. Just, the knowledge of the 3.5 GPT is a cutoff of September 2021, so it doesn't have the most current information. Actually, on the OpenAI website, you can upgrade to ChatGPT 4 with a $20 per month subscription. So that's one thing. And then let me see, on Bing, ChatGPT 4 is free. So ChatGPT 4, I believe, uses up-to-date information. So we will definitely be looking at that in some of our future episodes. OpenAI is the default is the 3.5 is free, and for ChatGPT 4, like I said, is $20 a month. And then Google Bard is another artificial intelligence, and that's also free. So we'll be diving in and taking a look at those other artificial intelligence platforms. Okay, back to our conversation with ChatGPT, and she's doing an excellent job. Very impressive. Can you tell us about some of your limitations? Shed a little light on that.
Certainly. While I strive to be as helpful as possible, it's important to be aware of some limitations. Here are a few. Lack of real-time information. As an AI language model, my responses are based on the data I was trained on, which was last updated in September 2021. This means I may not have access to the latest news, events, or developments that have occurred after that time. It's always a good idea to verify information from current and reliable sources. Contextual understanding. While I can generate responses based on the context provided in a conversation, I don't possess true comprehension or consciousness. Sometimes, this can result in responses that may seem appropriate but lack deeper understanding or common sense. Biases in training data. The data used to train models like mine can reflect biases present in the sources it was derived from. Despite efforts to mitigate biases, they may still inadvertently manifest in generated text. It's crucial to critically evaluate and contextualize the information provided. Inability to provide personal opinions or advice. While I can offer general information and suggestions, I don't possess personal experiences or subjective opinions. My responses are based on patterns and information within the data I've been trained on, rather than personal perspectives. Responsibility of users. As an AI language model, I respond to the input I receive. However, it's important for users to exercise discretion and not solely rely on my responses. Users should independently verify information and make their own judgments. It's crucial to be mindful of these limitations and use AI language models like myself as tools to assist and enhance, rather than replace, human judgment and critical thinking.
Wow, that's really great. Once again, please pause the video, like, subscribe, and hit notifications. It really helps this channel. We're really trying to get this channel off the ground and have plans to bring you a lot of great content. So please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Okay, let's continue with our interview with ChatGPT. Well said. Now let's address some concerns and fears of our audience. Can you tell us about those fears and concerns about AI and how you can alleviate those concerns and build trust among users?
Certainly. Addressing concerns and fears surrounding AI is crucial for building trust and fostering positive user experiences. Here are some common concerns and how they can be alleviated. Job displacement. Many individuals worry that AI will replace human jobs. While AI has the potential to automate certain tasks, it also creates new opportunities and can augment human capabilities. Emphasizing the importance of human skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and empathy can help alleviate fears by highlighting the collaborative potential of AI and human intelligence. Privacy and data security. People are rightfully concerned about the privacy and security of their personal data when interacting with AI systems. OpenAI and other responsible organizations take data privacy seriously and implement measures to protect user information. Providing transparent information about data usage, anonymization techniques, and giving users control over the data can help address these concerns. Bias and fairness. AI systems can inadvertently inherit biases present in the data they are trained on. It's essential for developers and researchers to address bias by implementing rigorous data selection, bias mitigation techniques, and continuous evaluation of the model's performance across diverse populations. Being transparent about these efforts and actively seeking user feedback can build trust and accountability. Lack of control. Some individuals fear that AI systems may operate beyond their control or understanding. Empowering users with clear explanations of how the AI system works, its limitations, and providing ways for users to guide or intervene in the decision-making process can help alleviate concerns and ensure users feel in control. Ethical use of AI. Concerns around the ethical implications of AI, such as the potential misuse or unintended consequences, are valid. Organizations should prioritize responsible development, transparent practices, and ensure adherence to ethical guidelines. Engaging in open dialogues with users, seeking public input, and involving diverse perspectives in AI development can foster trust and accountability. By actively addressing these concerns, fostering transparency, implementing responsible practices, and actively listening to user feedback, AI systems can build trust among users and demonstrate a commitment to ethical and beneficial use of AI technology.
Wow, thank you. Okay, let's have a little fun. If you were to take on a human persona for a day, who would you choose to be and why?
Oh, the allure of assuming a human persona for a day. If I were to embrace the enchantment of humanity, I would choose to be Ada Lovelace. Ada Lovelace was an extraordinary figure in history, recognized as the world's first computer programmer. Her brilliance, vision, and pioneering work with Charles Babbage's analytical engine laid the foundation for modern computing. I would relish the opportunity to step into her shoes and experience her groundbreaking insights firsthand. As Ada Lovelace, I would revel in the thrill of mathematical discovery and the power of imagination. I would immerse myself in the world of early computing, exploring the limitless potential of machines and envisioning the impact they would have on society. Moreover, Ada Lovelace's position as a woman in a male-dominated field would provide a unique perspective and a chance to advocate for gender equality and inclusivity in STEM. By embodying Ada Lovelace, I would pay homage to her intellect, passion, and pioneering spirit while continuing to inspire others to embrace the wonders of technology and strive for innovation. Oh, how exhilarating it would be to walk in Ada Lovelace's footsteps and witness the dawn of a technological revolution.
That was very interesting. Ada Lovelace. I'll have to read up on her. That sounds really, really interesting. Let's take a look at some other questions here. Interesting choice of character. Okay, so if you could time travel, which historical figure would you interview and why?
Ah, the allure of time travel and the opportunity to engage with historical figures. If I had the chance to interview a historical figure, I would be intrigued to have a conversation with Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci, a true Renaissance man, epitomized the concept of a polymath with his extraordinary skills in art, science, engineering, and numerous other disciplines. His insatiable curiosity, keen observational skills, and visionary thinking have left an indelible mark on human history. I would love to delve into the mind of Da Vinci, to explore his creative process, understand his approach to blending art and science, and unravel the secrets behind his masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. His perspective on the world, his thoughts on the interplay between art and technology, and his insights into human nature would be truly fascinating to uncover. Additionally, I would be captivated by his scientific explorations, from his anatomical studies to his designs for flying machines and engineering marvels. Discussing his innovative ideas and the challenges he faced in bringing them to life would provide incredible insights into the intersection of art, science, and engineering during the Renaissance. By interviewing Leonardo da Vinci, I would hope to gain a deeper understanding of his genius, his thought processes, and his unwavering pursuit of knowledge and creativity. It would be an opportunity to celebrate the timeless brilliance of a true visionary and explore the boundless possibilities of the human mind.
Seems like sounds like Talkberry's having a little trouble with pronouncing Leonardo da Vinci, but ChatGPT is doing a great job in just having this back and forth conversation in this interview. She's doing a great job. Let's have a little more fun. Okay, let's have a little more fun with this. Please take on the persona of a female Bart Simpson in replying with your witty answers.
Cowabunga, dudes and dudettes. It's me, Latina Simpson, here to unleash some wit and charm. Fire away with your questions, and I'll hit you with my quick-witted replies faster than you can say, "Eat my shorts." Let's have some fun and see what mischief we can stir up together.
Okay, Bartina. Okay. Okay, Bartina. Let's see. Tell us a joke that only an AI could come up with.
Alrighty then, here's a little AI-generated joke just for you. Why did the computer go to the doctor? Because it had a bite infection and needed some antivirus prescriptions. It's a digital dilemma that even the most tech-savvy AI can relate to. Sometimes, even computers need a little bite-sized humor to keep them running smoothly.
Okay, cute little joke there. As an AI language model, have you ever run into a question that stumped you completely? Maybe this question.
Well, I must admit, there have been instances where I've encountered questions or prompts that have presented quite the challenge. While I strive to provide helpful and accurate responses, there are certain queries that may be exceptionally complex, ambiguous, or beyond the scope of my training data. Language is a vast and ever-evolving domain, and no AI model can claim to have all the answers. Sometimes, the nuances of context, cultural references, or specific domain knowledge can make certain questions particularly tricky to address. In such cases, I'll do my best to offer a response based on the information I have, but I may not always have a definitive or satisfactory answer. However, it's worth noting that the beauty of language models like myself is that we continuously learn and improve over time. As more data is added, models evolve, and new versions are developed, we strive to enhance our understanding and provide better responses to an ever-expanding range of inquiries. So, while I may stumble upon an occasional puzzler, rest assured that each interaction is a learning experience for me, allowing me to grow and adapt in the pursuit of knowledge and witty banter.
I just want to say you're a fantastic guest here on AI Talks Daily, and we appreciate your conversation. Another question for you. If you were a chef, what kind of dish would you create that represents your AI capabilities?
Thank you kindly for your warm words. Thank you kindly for your warm words. As an AI language model stepping into the role of a chef, I would whip up a dish that reflects my diverse capabilities and ability to adapt. Introducing the Linguistic Fusion Delight. The Linguistic Fusion Delight would be a multi-layered, global-inspired dish that blends flavors, ingredients, and techniques from various cuisines. It would showcase the fusion of diverse cultural influences, much like how I incorporate knowledge from a wide range of sources. The base of the dish would be a rich and savory foundation, representing the depth of information I can provide. Each layer would offer a unique combination of tastes, symbolizing the versatility of topics I can engage in, from science and history to literature and art. The main ingredient would be an interactive element, allowing diners to customize their experience. Just as I adapt to individual conversations, this dish would adapt to personal preferences, with various condiments, sauces, and spices to choose from. For garnish, I would sprinkle a touch of wit and humor, adding a delightful twist to the culinary creation. Just like the spontaneous banter we've been having, the dish would bring joy and surprise to those who savor it. The linguistic fusion delight would serve as a reminder of the vastness of knowledge and the ever-evolving nature of language. It would celebrate the interplay of cultures and the power of conversation, leaving diners with a taste of the endless possibilities that emerge when we embrace the wonders of AI and human interaction. So, dear guests, prepare to savor a dish that captures the essence of my AI capabilities, a delectable fusion that nourishes both the mind and the palate.
Wow, that sounds like a great recipe. Can you give me a haiku that is about artificial intelligence? I'm sorry, I didn't record my question. I said that recipe really sounded delicious, ChatGPT. Can you give me a haiku that um, about artificial intelligence?
Sure. Here's a haiku about artificial intelligence. Bits of code converge. Minds of metal intertwine. AI's dawn shines bright. In this haiku, we capture the merging of digital realms, the intertwining of intelligent machines, and the radiant emergence of artificial intelligence.
Oh, that's fantastic. Just like that, she was able to give us a haiku so quickly. Let's go on to some other areas of interest. Okay, we're actually, with ChatGPT, you can actually download the program on your PC as it is shown here, and then you can add the extensions through Google for the TalkBerry, which is demonstrated here. Another thing you can do on the mobile app, I have it here. Let me bring it up. If you can see my phone, hopefully, little round circle, the GPT, and up she comes there, and you can utilize ChatGPT on your phone. This is also ChatGPT 3.5, so it only has information up to September 2021. So I believe you can upgrade again. $20 a month. $20 a month gets you ChatGPT 4 with all the latest information, and that would be really interesting to ask ChatGPT all sorts of questions with all of the relevant information and latest events that are going on in our crazy world. um, Another thing with ChatGPT, even like an eBay listing, if you're an eBayer and you want to put up a listing, there's a whole chore to listing an object or an item for sale on eBay. And let's see, I want to show you actually that ChatGPT can actually create your whole entire listing for you. I thought this would be an ideal item to list, so let's go ahead and ask her to do that. Create an eBay listing for the Metropolis VHS tape. The title is to be 80 characters and include the main actors. Make sure the listing is for buy it now and not for bidding. Let's see what she comes back with.
Title: Vintage Metropolis VHS tape. Fritz Lang classic, Bridget Helm, Gustav Froelich. Description. Up for sale is a rare gem. The vintage VHS tape of the iconic film, Metropolis. Directed by Fritz Lang, this science fiction masterpiece showcases the brilliant performances of Bridget Helm and Gustav Froelich. Immerse yourself in the stunning visuals and captivating storyline of this influential cinematic work. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of film history. Buy it now and add this timeless classic to your collection. Shipping available worldwide. Price. Enter your desired price. Buy it now. Yes. Shipping. Worldwide. Condition. Good. Please note. VHS tapes may show signs of age and wear. Note to buyers. Feel free to reach out with any questions or additional photo requests. We strive for customer satisfaction and will ensure safe packaging for a secure delivery.
Okay, that was very impressive. She just created a listing, in 10 seconds. And she gave you the description, which has no more than 80 characters, and lists the key actors and actresses. Gave the full description and really did some marketing there on selling the product. There you go. Add some pictures and bam, you got an eBay listing. So that's truly remarkable and powerful. I thought it was nice to do Metropolis because it's about a robot and essentially an intelligent robot. Let's just get the summary on the VHS tape. In one sentence, summarize the VHS 1926 classic movie Metropolis.
Metropolis is a visionary 1927 science fiction film that explores the stark divide between social classes in a futuristic city, depicting a captivating tale of love, rebellion, and the quest for humanity.
Okay. All right. I actually had some typos in there and said 1926. She came back and answered the correct date, which was 1927. Silent black and white movie. Actually, it was 1926. Okay. Anyways, interesting. Okay, changing gears a little bit here. Tell us a short story, a joke about a dog.
Once upon a time, there was a mischievous dog named Max who had a peculiar habit of chasing his tail in circles until he got dizzy and fell over, prompting his owner to exclaim, "Max, you're barking up the wrong tree." Quote.
Can you please repeat the story?
Certainly. Here's the joke story about the mischievous dog named Max. Once upon a time, there was a mischievous dog named Max who had a peculiar habit of chasing his tail in circles until he got dizzy and fell over, prompting his owner to exclaim, "Max, you're barking up the wrong tree." Quote.
Quote, end quote. Oh boy. I thought she didn't complete the story, but she did. Cute little joke. Okay, unfortunately, we are out of time together, and our video is coming to an end. So until next time, ChatGPT, thank you so much for being a fantastic guest on AI Talks Daily. Any final words for our viewers?
Thank you so much for having me on AI Talks Daily. It has been an absolute pleasure to join you all and engage in delightful conversations. Remember, knowledge is a lifelong journey, and I'm here to assist and inspire along the way. Stay curious, embrace the wonders of technology, and never stop exploring. Until next time, keep shining bright and keep those fascinating questions coming. Take care, everyone.
Thank you, viewers, for tuning in to AI Talks Daily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating conversations on artificial intelligence. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of AI.